I am an economist, and I specialize in the Middle East. So I really combine my expertise in economics, which is really around international trade and finance, to really apply it to a particular region in the world. The reason I do this is because I feel very passionate about the idea that we need to be able to take what we learn and what we do in the academy and really apply it to the real world. When I was a student studying at Oxford, I became very intrigued with the Middle East, and I decided to write my dissertation. And the first thing my supervisor said is, get a base in Islam and understand the Middle East. And I couldn't understand at the time why that was important for me as an economist. I thought I was just going to be processing data. But in actuality, to really understand that data and to make sense of it, I needed to have a grounding in the context in which that data was generated. And that's where understanding the Middle East, learning Arabic, has been very important to me. So I see myself as someone very unique in terms of being able to take data, to process it, to run the kind of regression analysis, do the kind of forecasting that economists do, but actually really contextualize that into a much more political economy sphere. And that's really what makes my work, I think, very unique. And I've been able then to take that to some very remote parts of the Middle East, where I like to believe that I've been able to influence policy and to really make a change for people in that region by broadening the understanding of really what those economic imperatives are that they are surrounded with. So I'm really much more about international political economy, about really taking markets and understanding markets and institutions together and really looking at the kind of structural changes that happen within an economy over time and really applying that. So when I go into the classroom, I really bring that breadth as well as that depth with me. And I really try to convey to my students how important, how unique, how special they are as economics majors and then eventually as economists.